Okay, here we are on the main page. I am going to show a different way how to list. It should be a lot easier and a lot faster this way. Okay, so you already have your Dropbox folder here. And you have all these items that you need to list. Okay, so the first thing we do, we're on our eBay page, and then we have our Dropbox. Okay, so let's look at the first item. Okay, so this is a pair of Ecko women's. The number is 1486. Okay, so if we want to list this, this is what we do. Okay, so we know they're Ecko, and we know they're women's, and we know what they look like. Okay, so you go to eBay. So go here to the top right, My eBay. You go to selling. Okay, so what we want to do is go to the active items. So there's two ways of searching this. Okay, so first let's search the active items. Okay, listing right here, and then active. Okay, that takes you to all my active items. Right now I have 2,094 active items. And this, we're going to search active items looking for the same item. Okay, and I have mostly shoes, so it should be able to find something that's close. Okay, so right here, let's go to the search area. So it says all categories, all formats. It has all 2,000 items. Okay, so then this says item title. We leave it there. Okay, so here, enter value. We're going to put in our search. So all we're going to search, very simple. Ecko women's. Okay, so we type in Ecko women's. Click search. Okay, now this gives you 66 items. So from here, we want to look for a similar shoe. Okay, so now we'll start looking. Okay, so see how these are different? So these are heels. These are kind of like trail running. These are Ecko Biome. Okay, so let's look for some loafers like on the other ones. Okay, so like these. Okay, see there's loafers, but these are Ecko Biome. So we don't want that. That's a specific Ecko. Okay, say these here. Ecko women's $90 comfort slip-on shoes. Okay, perfect. So that's what we need. You just need something that's close. Okay, so here you would do edit, and then you do sell similar. Okay, so we click sell similar. What's good about this is you don't have to search the serial number. You don't have to search anywhere else on eBay. We're just searching within my own eBay store. Okay, so now first thing I do, now we're going to just copy off of this listing. What's good about it is everything is already filled in. We just have to change the little details. Okay, so see how everything is already there. We just have to change the inventory number, the size, and of course the pictures. Okay, so let's look at the pictures again. See, that's pretty close to what we have. Okay, so let's delete all these pictures. Don't worry, we're not deleting the original. We're just deleting the self-similar. So delete all, and then you click yes. Okay, and then we're going to add the photos here. I'm not going to go through that, but we're going to add the photos from that Ecko listing. So you should already have these downloaded. So we're going to add all these pictures. Okay, and then remember, this is the first picture. This side view with two shoes, that's always the first picture. Okay, so let's get that inventory number. So pretend that I already uploaded the pictures, and that should be easy. Okay, so make sure we change the inventory number on both areas. Okay, so here on the top where it says custom label SKU, I've noticed that mistake that this number is not being put in here. Okay, so let's change this number. This is also the inventory number. So it says custom label SKU. That's the inventory number. So our number is 1486. Okay, 1486. So let's change it there. Let's also change it here. Okay. So we're changing it there because we don't want to have a mistake in the inventory number. 1486. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at this size again. These are size 42. Goes to this one is size EU 40. So let's change that. EU 41. Oops. So now basically we're just changing the details. Okay, we're changing details. We're gonna have to change this size. Okay, and when you have like EU size, we still need the US size. Okay, so what you do is you get the Echo size chart, and I sent you the Echo size chart. So let's just look it up. Echo size chart. Okay, I like using this one here. Okay, so now we see that these are women's shoes. So an Echo 41 is 10 to 10.5 in women's. If it was men's, then it's this different size here. So a men's Echo 41 is 7.5. Men's 42 is 8 to 8.5. Okay, and let me show you what you do. This shows two sizes, 10 to 10.5. Okay, so let's go back here. So the way I do it is, if it says 10 to 10.5 US, then you go, you can only put one size. You can't put 10 to 10.5. So always put the bigger size. So instead of 10, we'll put 10.5. But here in the title, we put both. So in the title, you put Echo EU 41, and then US 10 to 10.5. Okay, 10 to 10.5. We change the color. Okay, the color is white. And for the rest of the title, we can leave it the same. Echo women's 90 comfort slip-on shoes, size EU 41, US 10 to 10.5. So it's a lot easier to list this way because you just copy. It already has women's flats. Okay, the condition is about the same. Pretend we already uploaded the pictures. Okay, Echo loafers and moccasins. Okay, so let's change the size here. Okay, so this is white. Okay, and also let's change this because these are not leather. So these are synthetic. Synthetic means that it's man-made material. It's not leather, it's not suede. Okay, so we change that to synthetic. Okay, and on this, whenever you list the women's shoe size, make sure you do it from the drop down. So it says US 10, 10.5. Okay, so in other words, you don't want to write it in. You don't want to write here, enter your own 10 to 10.5. That's not what you want. You want to click on one of these. US 13.5, US 13, whatever it is. On this one we did 10.5, so that's the bigger size. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So then you just change, make sure on the description that you're changing the details, that you're checking all this again. Okay, make sure this is white. Okay. Okay, material, it's not leather and canvas, it's synthetic. So just check over everything. Check over everything and just change the little details. But this is still a lot faster than doing a Google search. Okay, and that's one way of doing it. And I'll make a separate video how to sell similar from sold items. That'll be the next video. But this is how you do sell similar to my active items. And you can do this with any shoe. I'll explain that next.